Today I'm going to talk about how to appreciate a glass of whiskey. Whiskey is actually a distilled alcoholic beverage made from fermented grain products. And the word whiskey actually is originated from an old Scottish word named usque. And this actually meant water of life in the old Latin terms. Okay. Now, to have whiskey, what you need first is a proper glass, and what you need is this sort of glass, a tumbler. Okay, and what you do is actually you have to fill it with a bit of whiskey, which I'm going to do now. Now, I have just poured one bag of whiskey, and this means this constitutes about 50 to 60 ml of whiskey which is poured into the glass. And when I start drinking the whiskey, what you do is actually, to appreciate it, you have to take in the aroma of the whiskey. So put your nose to the glass, inhale the whiskey, appreciate the flavors. Smell is 80% of the drink actually, and the other 20% is actually the taste. Then you take a sip. Let the whiskey go through your hard palate. As you slowly swallow it, you will really appreciate the flavor of a good whiskey. Then the next thing to do is actually whether you need to add some mixers or not. What is recommended is actually not to add any mixers to it. You have to appreciate it in its neat form. And if some people find it too strong, what they can do is add a little bit of water to it. Just a drop of water actually opens up the flavors and brings out the flavor of the whiskey. Now the next question is, do you need to add ice to whiskey? Well, a little bit of ice can be added to it, but it's not recommended because what it does is it actually chills the whiskey and dulls the taste. So you are losing the fine elements of the whiskey when you drink it. So anyway, that's how you can take your whiskey. Look at it first, appreciate the aroma, drink it neat to appreciate the taste, put a little bit of water in it to bring out the flavors, and if you really must, add a little bit of ice, but that is not recommended. Now, how do you spell whiskey? Whiskey can be spelled W-H-I-S-K-E-Y, which is done in Ireland and the US, or W-H-I-S-K-Y, which is done in all other countries. There are two types of whiskies, malted whiskies and grain whiskies. Okay? Malted whiskies can be single malt whiskies like this, single malt whiskey, which is actually whiskey which is distilled from a single distillery. Blended whiskey are whiskies which are a mixture of whiskies from different distilleries to form a consistent flavor. There are another two types of whiskey I need to tell you about. The first one is cask strength whiskey. These whiskies are rare, and usually they are for the best whiskies. They are actually produced undiluted from a cask, and so their alcohol content can be high, up to 60%. And the other type of whiskey is actually single cask whiskey, where the whiskey is produced from a single cask. And in this way, the whiskey can vary from cask to cask in a single brand. Cheers! And that's for my take on whiskies for today. I'd like to thank my good friend Davinder Singh for giving me this glass as a present for Christmas. Cheers, Davinder. And please remember, if you drink whiskey or drink any alcohol product, remember to drink wisely and know your limits. Salute! Ice, but that is not recommended. Thank you. Huh? Okay. Okay, you want to add something else? Now, what does whiskey consist of? There are two types of whiskeys. Distilleries to form a consistent wait, malt. Again, it's like from a single cask. The same thing I said.
I think so.